Hey guys, I had to cut it short. And again, welcome to my blog. This is Ron Blog. And yeah, and I really don't know what I'm doing right now. I am just riding my hoverboard on Tuesday nights.
Oh wow, big.
Yeah.
I didn't know Darby has 2 kids now.
Yeah.
If Ron was on Facebook, he can see, you can see the babies on Facebook.
Yeah.
So how's Darby like being a daddy?
He's more than mama mama is. Like,
Oh my God.
yeah. She's treating him well.
I think Tony has what, 4 or 5?
He's fixing to have number 4.
Oh my goodness.
Who? Tony? Yeah, Tony.
Number 4.
She's pregnant. I think she's pregnant. She's.
Be
What's
quiet,
going on there? Come here.
Nice talking to you. Here, Eb.
Come here. Come here.
She's scared of you.
He's scared.
You videoing everybody, Ron?
Oh, I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay.
I'm a blogger.
Oh.
Yeah, I like to blog. Huh?
I said, I don't even know how to do that.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay. So we're on YouTube now. Huh?
Yeah.
My grandkids put me on Snapchat. So.
Snapchat? All right. Yeah, I went to my dad's house and bring my sister Alfred. Alfred is so good. Yeah, my wife cooked Alfredo, and I'm here now and we ain't got nothing to do.
So she wouldn't take it with her.
Yeah, and riding along with my hoverboard. Alright guys, it's gonna be a short video. I've been going to making a blog lately, so if you can, please hit like, subscribe. Peace out.